Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get Facebook Marketplace back. If your Facebook Marketplace suddenly disappears, don't panic. It can usually be fixed in a few quick steps. First, check if it's a restriction issue. Go to your menu at the top right, open the Help Center, and visit your support inbox. If you see a message saying Marketplace access was removed or suspended, that confirms it's restricted. But if the icon is missing entirely, it might just be a glitch. Try updating or reinstalling the Facebook app, clearing your app cache and settings, disabling VPNs, or logging in from another device or browser. If it's not technical, it may be a policy issue. Check your listings to ensure none violate Facebook's commerce or community standards, and make sure your profile looks authentic. If you find a restriction notice, click on it to appeal, fill out the form clearly and calmly, explain the situation, and attach any proof if needed. Then just wait for Facebook's reply. It might take a few days. While waiting, avoid posting new listing to prevent further restrictions. And that's how you can bring back your Facebook Marketplace quickly and safely. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.